Join me as I take on the challenge of convincing top executives to invest in cybersecurity. Let's see if I can actually change their minds. In this video, you're going to learn how to effectively convince C-level executives to prioritize and invest in cybersecurity within their organizations. Rapidly evolving cyber threats are redefining the way we think about risk management. And as a result, cybersecurity has become a critical business concern that affects the entire organization. Cybercriminals are getting more sophisticated, and their methods are becoming more difficult to detect. A single cyber attack can bring down an entire company, causing irreparable damage to its reputation and financial stability. The frequency and severity of cyber attacks are increasing at an alarming rate, and it's more important than ever for organizations to take proactive measures to protect themselves. Data breaches, ransomware attacks, and phishing scams are just a few examples of the types of threats that organizations face on a daily basis. The current cybersecurity landscape is complex and rapidly evolving, making it challenging for organizations to stay ahead of cybercriminals. There are new vulnerabilities to exploit, new malware to detect, and new attack vectors to defend against. Most organizations are not prepared to deal with the aftermath of a cyber attack, and it's essential to acknowledge that cybersecurity is not just an IT issue, but a business-critical concern that requires a comprehensive and proactive approach. Many C-level executives view cybersecurity as a technical necessity rather than a critical business concern. They believe that cybersecurity is the sole responsibility of the IT department and that it's a cost center rather than a business enabler. However, this misconception couldn't be further from the truth. Cybersecurity is a critical component of any organization's risk management strategy, and it requires buy-in and involvement from the top down. Cybersecurity is not just about protecting against cyber threats. It's also about enabling business growth and innovation. It's about ensuring the integrity of an organization's brand and reputation. When organizations invest in cybersecurity, they're not just mitigating risk, they're also creating a competitive advantage. Cybersecurity is a critical component of any organization's digital transformation strategy, and it's essential for driving business growth and innovation. Take, for example, the case of a company that suffered a significant data breach due to a lack of investment in cybersecurity. The breach resulted in the loss of sensitive customer data, and the company's reputation was severely damaged. On the other hand, consider a company that invested heavily in cybersecurity and was able to detect and respond to a cyber attack in real time. The company's reputation was enhanced, and it was able to build trust with its customers. Studies have shown that organizations that invest in cybersecurity see significant returns, including improved reputation, enhanced customer trust, and reduced risk of cyber attacks. In conclusion, cybersecurity is a critical business concern that requires a proactive and comprehensive approach. It's essential for C-level executives to understand the importance of cybersecurity and to prioritize investment in this area. Recap the main points discussed, reinforcing the importance of addressing cybersecurity as a strategic priority and not just a technical necessity. I hope you found this video informative and helpful in convincing C-level executives to invest in cybersecurity. Encourage viewers to share their own experiences or strategies in the comments, and invite them to check out your other videos on cybersecurity best practices.